Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2015 Chevy Silverado 2500 HD. Stock number is 18C422A. Starting right away up front, you have easy access heavy-duty tow hooks, front parking sensors, and factory fog lamps. You also have a nice chrome bumper and grille, as well as chrome wheels. Those wheels are wrapped with Michelin tires. Running boards on the side. Inside, leather interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. We're going to take one more look down the passenger side, and then we're going to swing around to the back end. You have a factory trailer hitch, rear backup sensors, and a camera. Spray-in bed liner is very clean. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it certainly is worth the trip. Inside, four-wheel drive controls, cruise, heated steering wheel controls, audio and Bluetooth mounted here. Full touch screen that includes your stereo, dual climate control, as well as dual heated and cooled seats. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this 2500 on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.